Hi friends, in this video I would be showing free API provider and model to try OpenClaw. First let me go to this website openclaw.ai, go down and here you can see the command to install OpenClaw on Linux. Let me copy this and here I have one AWS instance. This is Ubuntu instance. So here I have executed this command to install OpenClaw. This I already executed. Next I am going to set up OpenClaw with free provider and free model. Then I am going to set up Telegram channel. Let me start. First we need to run this command OpenClaw onboard. So this command will set up OpenClaw. Here set yes, select quick start. Let me select one free API provider. Let me select Open Router. Select Open Router API key. Here we need to enter Open Router API key. Go to this website Open Router AI settings/keys. Click on this create API key button. That way we can create one API key. I already created one API key. This is free. Let me paste that created API key here. Done. Next I am going to select one free model. Here you can see list of models. From this list we need to select free model. Go down. This is the model I am selecting. Open Router Google Gemini 2.5 flashlight preview. Select it. Next I am going to set up one channel. Let me select Telegram. Then here we need to enter Telegram bot token. Go to Telegram app, then click on search. Here we need to type bot father. Click on bot father. Click on start. Then here type /new bot. Then submit. Next we need to type one name for the new bot. Let me select one name here. Then submit. Let me submit that same name again. Done. See, it has created new bot. This is a new bot. Here you can see one token. Let me copy this token. Go to the VM. Let me paste here. Done. It's asking configure skills now. Let me set no. Enable hooks. Let me set skip for now. Just press space key. Then enter. Now it's starting gateway service. Please wait. Done. It's asking how do you want to hatch your bot. So let me select do this later. Install shell completion script. Let me select no. Done. Next I am going to open OpenClaw terminal UI. Run this command OpenClaw TUI terminal UI. Run this. If you don't want OpenClaw terminal UI, then you can try web UI. Let me test this OpenClaw setup. Let me execute this prompt. List all the files in my root directory. See, here you can see the output. That is working. So let me exit from here. Press Ctrl C. Next I am going to test Telegram. Go to Telegram. Click on this new bot. Click on start. So here we need to complete this pairing. Set this command. Copy. Then paste here. Then copy this pairing code. Paste here. Enter. Okay, done. Pairing completed. Next I am going to test from Telegram. Go to Telegram. Let me execute this prompt. list all files from root directory. See, it's working. This way we can try OpenClaw for free using free model and API provider. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.